Howdy, folks. Welcome to Terry Family Adventures. I've got the girls with me.
Hi.
And today we're powering up. And we're going to see how far we can make it up Farmington Canyon before it gets dark.
Come along for a drive.
Like and subscribe.
Terry Family Adventures.
So we made it to the Francis Peak, Bountiful Peak, Farmington Canyon split off, and it's getting pretty dark. We're going to continue on, though, because we're brave.
The 1 star.
So up here there's this really cool Jeep park. I don't know how well this is taken for real, but yeah, up here there's this really cool Jeep park. You can come up here and mob over all these hills, and there's some stuff up there. It's a pretty serious park, so bring something that's gonna have a good time. I know you can't tell, that's the moon. It's coming up. It's beautiful. I wish we had Mama's phone because it's way better. But at some point we'll have to try this again. Alright folks, well, we got up there and we got lost, and so we turned around, we came back home. We'll definitely revisit that in the future. We'll head back up there during the daytime. So if you want to see the video for that road, click on that link right there. And if you want to see the video for that road, click on that one. And thanks for watching.